Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize a picture in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on photo editor, and then it opens up our gallery. From here we just select the picture, so it's this one, then tap on add, and then in the bottom row here we find size. We tap on this, and then we have a few formats, for example 1:1 or 2:3, and then we can set the canvas size for the image. And if we double tap, we can edit it like this. So yeah, after we are done, we just tap on OK, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.